Excel's different functions. There are different functions in Excel 2007. Some of the common functions include statistical functions. Sum, it adds a range of cells together. Average, average calculates the average of a range of cells. Count, it counts the number of chosen data items in a range of cells. Max, identifies the largest number in a range of cells. Min, identifies the smallest number in a range of cells. Financial functions, interest rates, loan payments, depreciation amounts. Date and time functions. Date converts a serial number to a day of the month. Days 360 calculates the number of days between two dates based on a 360-day year. Time returns the serial number of a particular time. Hour converts a serial number to an hour. Minute converts a serial number to a minute. Today returns the serial number of today's date. Month converts a serial number to a month. Year converts a serial number to a year. AutoSum feature. The summation of cell values can also be done with the help of the AutoSum feature. The following steps explain how to use AutoSum feature. 1. Click on the cell F3. 2. Select the Formulas tab. 3. Click AutoSum from the Function Library group. 4. Select the Sum option and press Enter. Alternatively, you can write equals sum B3:E3 in cell F3 to get the sum of the physics, chemistry, maths and English marks. To edit a function, 1. Select a cell where the function is defined. 2. Insert the cursor in the formula bar. 3. Edit the range by deleting and changing the necessary cell numbers. 4. Click the Enter icon. SUMIF. Range, criteria, sum range. This form of sum function is used to add the cells with respect to a given criteria. Range, a group of adjacent cells within a range must be numbers or names, arrays or references which are having numbers. In the SUMIF functions, blank and text values are ignored. Criteria, it can be a number, expression or text to define which cells will be considered for the addition. Example, criteria can be fixed as 12 or under inverted quotes 12 or under inverted quotes less than 12 or mangoes. Sum range, these are the actual cells to be added if their corresponding cells in the range match the criteria. In case the sum range is avoided, then the cells in range are both evaluated by criteria and added if they match criteria. In the above example, the function SUMIF adds only those values in the cell range B3,E3 which are greater than 55. That is, it will add the values from cells D3 and E3 only, and hence the result will be 67 plus 76 is equals to 143. Average function. It helps you to get the average of the numbers. It returns the average, arithmetic mean of the arguments. Syntax, average, under brackets, number 1, comma number 2 and so on. Maximum number of arrangements to be passed in the function can be 255. That is, number 1, number 2 up till number 255. Min function. It helps you to get the minimum of the numbers. Returns the smallest number in a set of values given. Syntax, min, under brackets, number 1, number 2 and so on. Maximum number of arguments can be 255. That is, number 1, number 2 and so on up till number 255. Now drag the handle of cells G3, H3, I3, J3 to cover each row of the respective column. You can see the corresponding functions are automatically copied in the respective columns and automatically the values are calculated. See the figure below. To use more functions, select Formula tab, choose AutoSum from the Function Library group, click on More Functions as shown below. From the dialog box that appears, choose a function as per your need.